Hey everyone, welcome back. Special welcome to my subscribers, of course. New viewers, you guys should become subscribers because you're going to miss out on all the great recipes if you don't. Today, I've got my two junior sous chefs, if you will. Thing one and thing two. And we're going to be making jelly bean bark.
Jelly bean bark.
Alright, jelly bean bark. What do you need to make jelly bean bark? Well, 24 ounces. These happen to be using Nestle brand Premier White Morsels. 24 of them, that's 212. I've got some jelly beans. You can use whatever flavor you like. I've got 28 ounces of Jolly Rancher jelly beans, but again, you can use Sour Bellies or whatever. And then that big lump on the top there, that is 2 tablespoons of vegetable shortening. I'm using Crisco. Take this in a microwave safe dish, and we're gonna put it in for 1 minute. 1 minute later, you can see that the shortening started to melt a little bit, and so have the morsels or the chips, whatever you want to call them. This is actually gonna take a couple of shots, and then from here forth, I'm gonna do 15-second intervals until I get it down to the point where it has melted enough that we can spread it onto our cooking sheet to make our bark. So 15 more seconds. We'll come back, give it another mix, and see where we're at. All right, you can see that I've got most of the lumps out, and it's pretty well melted down. So it is time for Chef One to help me pour.
Come on.
Yep. Okay. I have the bag in there. Hey.
What?
Stir. Stir.
Oh my God.
Okay. Can I slide over? Can you slide over and I'll trade spots with the second chef? All right, second chef, come on down.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna pour them in and you're gonna help me stir, okay?
Yeah.
So 1 whole bag is going straight into the chocolate mix. Sir,
Okay.
hand up here. All right, let's give it a mix. Good mixing, buddy. Okay, that's good, you got it. All right, so you can see that they're combined well. I have just a regular cookie baking sheet. That's wax paper. Just a little bit of cooking spray. Okay. And then all we're gonna do is pour it straight on. All right, so I'm just gonna get all this out, try to scrape out as much as we can. Starting to look like bark, guys?
Yeah.
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 Everything I read said you needed to put some in and then put some more on top, but I don't know that a second bag is really necessary. I'm gonna let these guys sprinkle a couple on top, maybe a handful or two, just so you can see the jelly beans up top. But I don't think 2 whole bags are necessary. All right, so the boys have kindly placed them out. I'm just trying to make sure that they're actually going to be sticking to something. It looks good. Refrigerator for 15 to 30 minutes, and then we will break it into the bark.
Refrigerator right here.
As you can see, my eager junior sous chefs await their finished product, the jelly bean bark. It took about 30 minutes, give or take. Went back and did some work, so. But that was in the fridge. You can see it's nice and solid. Get that out of the way. And then we're gonna let these little destructive maniacs get to their business. All right, guys, watch. Ready? Watch.
Yeah.
Watch what happens. You ready? And it didn't break. Did it? All right. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this and get these pieces that are already out, and I'll save those 2 for sampling. Okay. Well, we got enough broken for now, so let's get a taste test. You want to taste that piece? And you want to taste that piece? And I'll continue breaking. Well, what's the verdict, guys?
Good.
Is it delicious? Or is it just good?
Great.
Good?
Good.
Great.
Good.
All right. Well, that's it. Really easy to do. I'm sure there's a number of substitutions and alterations you can make to this. You can store this once you get it all broken up into a airtight container. So this is Tupperware, right? At room temperature, and imagine you probably hold it for about a week. I wouldn't go too much longer than that. Let me know what alterations you make. Otherwise, subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Give me all of your alterations. Check back for the next video, and as always, take care. Peace. Right? Peace?
Peace out. Peace out.
Peace out.